Welcome ladies and gentlemen in Smart Bus Generation 4. Today we talk about how you can make backup and how you can restore the backup for your modules. The good thing about backup, you can use it once you finish your programming, you finish your project, everything is okay, everything is ready. Now you can take one backup and save it in your hard disk, so in future if something happened, some device damage, or somebody do anything for any reason, you can easily restore the backup. Now how you can do that? Open the Smart Cloud configuration, go to the backup menu, choose device backup. Now I will make backup for let's say 6 gang here. The address for the 6 gang is subnet ID 1, device ID 11. Just put 1, 11. Choose where you want to save this file. I'll choose on desktop. I'll put any name, 6 gang, and save. Now after you finish, now press start backup. You can stop at any time. Now if you can see the progress bar, it's ready and increasing. As also you can see the extension for this file, SPD. You can use it. Now we saved on desktop. After we finish, now you will get like message about everything is okay, about your backup successfully backup flash. Okay, close. Now check this my file. If I want to restore the backup, but before I restore, I'll open my 6 gang to check, to give you like a proof. Here the address is 54. I make backup for 54. I will change it. I will put it at 80. Let's say 80. Channel number 2. You want to save? Yes, I want to save. Now it's 80. Close. I want to restore. Now must be restored to 54. Go to backup, device restore. Put I will 1, 11, the same. Select my file which is here. Now press restore, also the same. Now restoring, the same progress bar increase. Here's the same file, location, give you the location. Now once this one finish, you can make sure you can open the 6 gang and you can check your device ID. Now after we finish, it took like 1 minute. Successfully restore flash. Now we close. We go to our 6 gang to check. Button signation to check. Now is 54 on channel number 1. It was an 80, so I make sure about the backup is very useful. Even if somebody change whole the program, if you make backup, you will be in safe side. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy.